Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up the Square add-on with WPForms so you can start accepting secure credit card payments right on your WordPress site. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully functioning payment form, no coding required, ready to take customer payments and seamlessly sync those transactions to your Square account. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to set up WPForms with the Square integration. So head over to your WordPress dashboard and under Plugins, click Add New. Here, you'll install and activate the main WPForms plugin. This is your core tool for building beautiful, flexible forms on your site. Once WPForms is active, you'll want to install the Square Pro add-on. This add-on is what bridges WPForms to your Square account, making credit card transactions possible. Don't worry if you haven't added add-ons before, just search for Square in the WPForms add-ons section. Click Install and then Activate. It all happens within your WordPress dashboard. Now, once both plugins are running, it's time to connect WPForms to your Square account. Go to WPForms Settings, then click on the Payments tab at the top. This part is crucial, matching your currencies. Make sure you select the same currency here as you use in your Square account. For example, if your Square account is set to US dollars, pick USD in the dropdown. This tiny detail saves you a ton of confusion down the line when payments start rolling in. Next, scroll down to the Square section. You'll see a Connect with Square button. Click that, and you'll be prompted to log in to your Square account. Grant the requested permissions so WPForms can process payments on your behalf. It's a secure handshake between your two accounts, and it only takes a moment. Once connected, look for a green checkmark that confirms everything is linked properly. If you have more than one location in Square, you can pick which business location to use for your payments. And remember, the Square integration is a feature for the Pro version of WPForms. If you're using Lite, you may need to upgrade to access this functionality. With the integration done, let's actually build your payment form. Open WPForms and create a new form or edit an existing one, whatever fits your workflow. In the Form Builder, look to the left panel and drag the Square field into your form. This is where your customers will enter their credit card information securely. You'll probably also want to add standard fields like name, email, and the purchase total so everything is neatly organized and mapped. Once you've arranged the fields you need, head over to the Form Settings tab and then to Payments. Here, enable Square Payments, and map your fields so the name field in your form connects to the name field in Square, and so on. This keeps all your records tidy and makes sure every transaction has the details you need. If you like, you can turn on test mode in the WPForms settings and try out a few credit card entries to be sure everything's working before you go live. This step is optional, but it can give you some peace of mind that your setup is solid. With your form ready, all that's left is to publish. Simply embed the form on any page or post using the WPForms block or shortcode, just a couple clicks. Now your customers can place orders or make payments with their card right from your website, and the transactions will automatically show up both in your WordPress entries and in your Square dashboard. You're all set. I hope this walkthrough made it easy for you to start accepting Square payments on your WordPress site using WPForms. If this video helped, go ahead and hit like. And if you have questions or run into any issues, drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress tutorials like this, and I'll see you in the next one.